Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Stripe payment link for TidyCal booking. So I'm running an event planning company, and now what I want to do is that as I'm running a wedding planning consultation and I'm taking the booking for that consultation by using TidyCal, so automatically I want to create a payment link for that particular booking by using Stripe. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to set up an automation and a connection between TidyCal and Stripe. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new booking for my event through TidyCal, then automatically by using those booking details, I'm going to create a new payment link in Stripe. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Stripe payment link for TidyCal booking. So here suppose I'm an event planner and I offer consultations for wedding and corporate events through TidyCal. So by creating payment link for different consultation packages, I will allow my client to pay securely when booking their appointments. So this not only confirms the commitment of the client, but also helps the planner to manage their times and resources effectively by knowing they have secured client for their services. So here what I want to do is that as I'm using TidyCal for getting the booking for my wedding planning consultation, and now whenever my client is going to book this appointment, then automatically I want to create a new payment link for this particular appointment by using Stripe. So by creating this Stripe payment link, what I can do is I can send this payment link to my client and they can securely pay the amount for the booking they have created. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to set up an automation between TidyCal and Stripe, and that too without any coding and programming skills, just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between TidyCal and Stripe, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new booking from TidyCal for my wedding planning consultation, then automatically I'm going to create a new Stripe payment link for that particular booking. So for setting up this connection between TidyCal and Stripe, I need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Stripe payment link for TidyCal booking. Now I'm going to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and here in my workflow I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be TidyCal. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select TidyCal here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new booking will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect TidyCal with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And now I have to click on Connect with TidyCal. Now here I have to click on Authorize to give access to my account, so I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected TidyCal with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to take you to my TidyCal account. Now here I'm going to use this event of wedding planning consultation. Now what I need to do is I need to create a new booking as a client for this particular event. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to open this event link in a new tab. And here this is my booking page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new booking. So for that, I'm going to first select my date. So my date will be 10th of October and I'm going to select my timing. That will be 10 a.m. And now I have to fill all my client details. Now here I have to give my name of my client and here the name will be Michael Karras. Email will be michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. And now I'm going to click on book event for creating this booking. So I'm going to do that. And here we can see I have successfully created this booking and I have this message that says booking confirmed. So I have successfully created this booking in TidyCal. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And by clicking here, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my booking that I have just created in my TidyCal account. And here this is my response for my event of wedding planning consultation. So here I have received this booking detail and in this I have also received my client detail. So here I have the name of my client that is Michael Karras. I have the email address that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see I have received this response for my TidyCal booking and here I have received this response. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response. So within the next 10 minutes, you're going to receive the response of your booking from TidyCal and in every 10 minutes, TidyCal is going to start processing all the details of your bookings. And within these 10 minutes, if we are going to receive new bookings in TidyCal for our event, then automatically the data of that booking will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So for every TidyCal booking, we are going to receive the response here in Pabbly Connect within every 10 minutes. So here this is a polling based response and I have received the response of my booking. Now what I want to do is that I only want to create the payment link in Stripe for the booking that I'm going to receive for this particular event that is of wedding planning consultation. So here for my objective, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a filter or a condition that if I'm going to receive the booking for this particular event, then only I'm going to create the payment link in Stripe for that particular booking. So here for setting up my filter, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to use filter by Pabbly. So I'm going to select that. And now here I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and filter values will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. Now I need to connect filter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I have to set up my condition. So here for setting up my condition, what I need to do is I need to first select my label, filter type and the value. So here in the label, I'm going to use the label where I'm receiving my booking event detail. So I'm going to open this tab. I will open the response of TidyCal and here booking type title is going to be my label. So I'm going to select that. And now I have to give my filter type that will be equal to, and in the value, I'm going to give my event name. So here my value will be wedding planning consultation. So here I have filled all the required detail and now what will happen is that if I'm receiving a booking from TidyCal and I'm receiving the response in Pabbly Connect, and if in that response I'm receiving the booking type title as wedding planning consultation, which is my event name, then automatically I will create a Stripe payment link for that particular booking. And I'm only going to create the Stripe payment link if I'm receiving the booking for this particular event. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response and in this I have my status that is success and I have this message that says condition is true. So this means that I have received the response for this particular event and I have received the booking for this particular event only. Now here my condition is true. So what I can do is I can automatically create Stripe payment link for this particular booking. So for that, I need to set up my last actions tab. And here I'm going to use Stripe as my action application. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select Stripe here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And create payment link will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Stripe with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Stripe with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that, I need to first log into my Stripe account and in Stripe, I need to navigate to developers option and in developers option, I will find my API key and as I'm going to generate my API key, I can use that API key as my token. So for getting this token, I need to take you to my Stripe account. Now here in Stripe, I need to go to developer section. So here I have to click on developers and now in developers, I need to go to API keys. Now here in API keys, I can see I have this secret key. So this secret key is going to be my API key or my token. So I'm going to first reveal this test key. And here this is my API key. So I'm going to copy this and I will go back to Pabbly Connect. and I'm going to paste that API key or the secret key here in this tab of token. Now here I have filled my token. Now I'm going to click on save, and I have successfully connected Stripe with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first create a new payment link for my booking. So for that I need to fill all these details, and here I need to first select these options. So here I have this option of automatic tax enable, and if I select true here, then the tax will be calculated automatically using the customer's location. So I don't want to do that, so I have selected false here. Also I can allow promotion codes if I select true here, but I don't want to allow promotion code too, so I have selected false here too. Now here I have to fill my shipping address collection allowed country. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my country code, that is IN, which is for India, and you can add your country code according to you. Now I'm going to type that, and here I have added the country code. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, and I need to select this option of after completion type. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to select hosted confirmation. So I'm going to select that. And as I've selected hosted confirmation, so what will happen is that as the payment will get completed through this payment link, then it will give a hosted confirmation message, and it will give that message to my client. And if I have selected the redirect option, then it will redirect the customer to a specific URL. I don't want to redirect my client, so I have selected hosted confirmation. Now I have to give my after completion hosted confirmation custom message. So here I'm going to give my custom message that I want my client to see after making the successful payment. So here I'm going to type my custom message, and that will be, your booking has been successful. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the line items in my payment link. So how I can add the line items in my payment link? For that I have this important note that says, for step-by-step instruction on adding line items including price ID, quantity and adjusting quantities, please refer to our comprehensive help guide. So I can open this hyperlink, and it will take me to the guide where I will find all the instruction of how I can add line items in my payment link. So here these are all the instruction of how I can add line items in my payment link. So here let me take you back to Pabbly Connect, and I want to add the line items. For that I need to click on this plus icon button. I'm going to click here again, and here I have these two tabs of label and the value. So first I have to give the label for my line item, and for getting the label I need to take you the line item guide. So I'm going to take you there, and here I want to keep two line items in my payment link. First is of line item price, and second one is of line item quantity. So these are the required line items that I need in my payment link, and you can use more line items that you want in your payment link. So for this what I need to do is I need to copy this label from here. So here this is my label of line item price. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this label. Now similarly I'm going to go back to my guide, and I'm going to copy this line item for quantity. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here. Now I have to give the value for my line items. So first I have to give the value for the line item of price, and here I need to give my price ID. So for the price ID, I have already created a product in my Stripe account, which is for my wedding planning consultation. So for this, let me take you to my Stripe account. I will go to my product catalog, and here in product catalog we can see I have this particular product of wedding planning consultation. So by using this product catalog, or by using this particular product, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my payment link. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my product, and this is my price, that is of 1999 rupees. Now what I need is I need the price ID for my product. So for getting the price ID, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. A new price called, and this is the price ID was created. So I'm going to open this, and here I have received this event data. So I'm going to open this again, and here it has directed me to price for wedding planning consultation. Now here in the right side we can see I have this particular ID, and this is my price ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of value. So this is my particular price ID for my payment link for my TidyCal booking for my wedding planning consultation. Now I have to give the quantity, and here I'm going to keep the quantity as 1. Now here I have filled all the required detail for my booking. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have successfully created a payment link for my TidyCal booking event. And as I have received a new booking from TidyCal for my wedding planning consultation event, then automatically I have created a new payment link in Stripe for that particular booking. So here in this response I have this URL option, and this is the URL of my payment link. So I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to paste that here. Now here we can see that this was my URL for my payment link that I've created for my event of wedding planning consultation. So here we can see I have successfully created this payment link in Stripe for my TidyCal booking of my event of wedding planning consultation. So here we can see that as I have received a new TidyCal booking, then automatically I have created a payment link in Stripe for that booking. So here I have successfully created this automation and I have connected TidyCal with Stripe in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new booking from TidyCal for my event, then automatically by using Stripe, I'm going to create the payment link for that booking. So here I've created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here I have successfully connected TidyCal with Stripe to automatically create Stripe payment link for TidyCal booking. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was TidyCal and my trigger event was new booking. After this, I have set up my actions tab and I have used filter by Pabbly, and by using filter by Pabbly, I have set up my condition, and in the last, I have used Stripe as my action application and my action event was create payment link. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.